is to help companies migrate their on-premises solutions to a cloud environment. Although some of the companies I've worked with have actually come from other MSPs, managed service providers, because they didn't really understand the customer's manufacturing environment. Most of the companies I've talked to have had one or more of these 5 challenges, which led them to a cloud migration decision. Without question, the #1 reason people decide to go to the cloud is due to the barrage of security attacks, cybersecurity attacks, that they receive all day, every day. There was a recent report from Sophos from May of this year, where they surveyed manufacturing companies specific to manufacturing about ransomware attacks, and they reported that 65% of the respondents stated that they had been attacked by ransomware in the past year, which is up from 56% from the previous year. So these cyber attacks are continuing to escalate. And another very frightening statistic that they shared is that 91% of the ransomware attacks occurred outside of regular business hours, so when no one was there to monitor their systems. Another big reason companies decide to go to the cloud is because of their aging hardware and software in their in-house equipment, which is often referred to as tech debt. Companies typically find themselves at some kind of a crossroads of trying to decide whether or not they really want to spend more money for new technology that will likely be outdated again in just a few years. Another really good reason companies decide to move to the cloud is protection from potential disasters, whether they are natural disasters like hurricanes or tornadoes or wildfires, or maybe some not so natural disasters. Some of our customers have experienced fires that have destroyed their computer room. Others have experienced water main breaks that have flooded their computer rooms. I'm actually talking to a company right now who told me that their computer room is literally in the basement of their building. Let me just say that's a really bad idea. Between flooding from hurricanes, and trust me, I live in Florida, I know all about hurricanes, and these potential water main breaks, they really need to move their servers like today. We're also hearing that many companies are experiencing very lean IT departments, maybe too lean in some cases. These IT departments are all consumed with just day-to-day operations, and they can't find enough time to be more strategic with other more important IT initiatives. In a cloud environment, a good number of these IT tasks get offloaded, freeing up time for the IT teams so that they can be more strategic with these other initiatives. And for companies who are experiencing rapid growth, it is very easy for cloud providers to add disk or memory or new environments, new VPNs, et cetera, very quickly, which will also free up time from the IT department to have to purchase these new resources, configure them, set them up, et cetera. So all you need to do in a cloud environment is just submit a ticket and get the ball rolling. And last, but certainly not least, every company wants to improve their bottom line, right? With a comprehensive ROI calculator that we've created, we have found it very easy to prove the financial benefits of moving to a cloud environment. And we'll spend more time talking about these financial benefits a little bit later on in the presentation. So now let's transition to the topic of value. What value can you expect by moving to the cloud? There's actually a tremendous amount of value to be realized when a company migrates to the cloud, including things like flexibility, scalability, AI-powered innovation, additional layers of security, predictable straight line costs, staying current with OS levels, as well as your ERP levels, and just really overall greater agility. So with that, I'm going to turn the session now over to Ben, who will go into greater detail on the left column of these benefits, to be followed by Greg, who will go into greater detail on the right column.